If you're seeing the message server is from the wrong region, please try again later. Error 91. First, launch Rocket League through the Epic Games launcher and press any button to get to the main menu. Next, go to Play, then select Private Match, and choose Create Private Match. By default, the region setting is probably set to Recommended. That's usually the problem. Change that to a specific region that matches where you actually are. For example, if you're in Europe, set it to Europe. If you're in North America, choose either US East or US West. If you're in Asia, pick Asia East or Asia Southeast. Once that's set, try creating the private match again. If it still gives you the error, completely exit the game, restart it, and try again with the correct region selected. That usually clears it up on the second try. This error happens because the recommended setting can sometimes confuse the server selection system for private matches. Manually choosing a region helps the game connect properly.